Hi, I'm Shyla Ann, and this is Easy Keto Menus. Today we're gonna egg it up. I'm gonna tell you the benefits about eggs, why all eggs are not created equally, and how to find the right egg to scramble your world, so to say. Let's keto on. So, whether you're eating them fried, boiled, or adding them into recipes, eggs play a huge part in meals. And because eggs have just about every nutrient the body needs, by many, they are considered one of the most nutritious foods available naturally. Among the many nutrients, your body gets things like selenium for disease prevention and fertility, omega-3 fatty acids for brain, skin, and blood pressure, vitamin A for vision and immune systems, vitamin 2, B5, B2, and B12 for healthy blood cells, vitamin D for strong bones, vitamin K for bone health and metabolism, vitamin D for damaged cell repair, and many more. Whew, oh my gosh, that's a lot. And that's only some of the nutrients that eggs provide. Eating eggs is a great way to maintain overall health. So, if every egg you eat provides you with that many nutrients in your body, does eating organic eggs really make that much of a difference? The answer is yes. Organic eggs are free of antibiotics, growth hormones, and GMOs, and they have higher amounts of nutrients in the same size eggs, and when fresh, they taste totally different, way better. So, since seeing is believing, right now I'm going to walk you into my kitchen and we are going to look at the difference between a store-bought egg versus organic homegrown eggs. Get settled. Okay, so both of these are considered extra large eggs and both do have nutrients like I said. This is a store-bought egg and this is my organic homegrown egg. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and crack this store-bought egg so you can see what the inside looks like. Because the inside of the egg is where you're really going to notice the difference. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and crack the egg. Alright, let's see. So, let me get a napkin. Okay. So right now I'm going to show you the inside of a store-bought egg. And we're going to turn the camera around and you really see this yellow, sort of pale yellow color in the yolk and as well as in the white part. Now next I'm going to crack this organic homegrown egg and that's when we're really going to start to see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and crack that next. Ooh. The shells are also way tougher on organic fresh eggs. Definitely. They're not as easy to crack. So now I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the inside, what the inside of an organic homegrown egg looks like. So here you go. You see how the color of the yolk is way more of a fluorescent, vivid orange color versus this pale kind of color of the store-bought egg. And you can even see the difference in the white as well of the egg. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. So this egg was literally given to me from my chickens this morning. It doesn't get any fresher than that, any more organic. It's super full of goodness, has a lot of nutrients, and it tastes totally different from a store-bought egg. Store eggs, actually, farmers have 30 days to get eggs from the farm to the grocery store, and stores have about another 30 days to get that egg off the shelf and sold. So you could actually be eating an egg that's up to 60 days old by the time it gets from the farm to your house from a traditional grocery store. Did you know that the outside shell of an egg does not mean that the egg is organic? It only means that it came from a certain breed of chicken. Surprising, right? Not a lot of people know that fact. So I know what you may be thinking, but organic eggs are super expensive and I just can't afford them, Shyla. Well, I have news for you. Organic eggs can be available at wallet-happy prices. And I'm going to give you 3 ways to get them cheap, fresh, organic eggs right now. Way number 1, go to your local farmer's market and see if they have egg vendors there. They come from local farms and they're way cheaper than grocery stores. Remember, fresh food has the most nutrients. If there aren't any egg vendors, ask around at farmers that sell produce. They usually sell organic eggs as well, but they can only bring so much product to sell at farmers markets. If you ask them what you want, or you tell them you want organic eggs, they'll definitely bring it next time. Or some small farms have storefronts on their farms or in front of their farms where they sell everything they have to offer in one convenient place. You see the farm right behind the store. You're getting it right there. It's an amazing thing, really. We've bought in bunches of kale, spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, all for a couple dollars, all organic, all fresh, all great for the body. Number 2, you can buy eggs off of Facebook Marketplace. I know, it's kind of crazy, but lots of people, especially in the spring and the summertime, their chickens give them way too many eggs for them to eat. Our chickens give us way too many eggs for us to eat. So we give them away, but you also see lots of people selling them for like $2 to $3 a dozen. For organic and fresh eggs, that is incredible. So check your local marketplace. And number 3, if you're really, really serious, start a small flock. You can buy a coop for under $100, a small one, a few hens, and some organic egg layer feed. Now, if you buy chicks, you're going to have to wait for those chicks to mature before they'll start giving you any eggs. And in that case, you have to buy chick feed. Different breeds mature at different rates. So the best thing to do is ask a pet store employee for help when choosing the right breed for you. I have friends that have small coops in their backyards, like 2 to 3 hens, and they let them out every day to free roam around the yard, and then at nighttime they lead them back into the coop for safety. And people don't know, but you can train chickens to go back into the coop at the right time. We do it all the time. Just don't buy roosters unless you really like to be woken up at the wee hours of the morning, like 3 or 4. And your neighbors won't appreciate it as well. Overall, eggs are a great food to enjoy, and they have tons of good stuff in them. Choose organic as much as possible, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please share. My goal is to help as many people live not only healthy but sustainable lifestyles, not just a temporary diet. So until next time, and if you have any questions, comment them down below. I always check the comments even after the live video. And until next time, my Easy Keto